This is step by step how to install Email Word Pro. First of all, this is the zip file. If you download this file on our website or if you get it anywhere, this is the zip file and you have to extract this file. Just right click on your mouse to extract the file. You're going to see extract all or extract to any folder, but just extract the file. Click extract. When your file don't extract, it's going to pop you up all the details inside. So and this one here with orange logo, Email Pro, Email Word Pro, that is the application. You can see the directory is application. Just double click it or run the administrator to install the application. I'm just going to open it and it's going to pop up like this when you finish install it on your computer. So next step, you know how to install application on computer. Just run it and install it correctly. And this is the endpoint. You're going to see this dashboard pop up asking for license key. Just copy product ID. We need this ID, so you have to send it to us. We're going to use it to generate your key, and I'm going to show you how we get key to users. This is the license key. As I copy the product ID, just have to click Add Client. I have to press the ID here on here, and just press it everywhere. Now I can give myself how many days I have to use it. I'll give myself monthly, yearly, depends. So you can just click generate key. This is how we generate key for users. And this key now, you can see if I scroll all the way to down, this is our users. If I scroll all the way to down, I can see how many days remain for all our users. Then I can just copy the license key. This is the license key I'm going to use to activate this extractor. So I have to just press the key on the license key and click activate and click OK. Our program is now registered. Click OK and the extractor is automatically registered. So this is the extractor here. This is the dashboard you are going to see. You can see this extractor, you can extract only phone number or you can extract only email. Before you do anything, go to setting and click this yellow button. We need to update our Chrome driver. Now update the Chrome driver to new version. Click this purple and see the new version is downloading. When it's done, just close it and that's all you need to do. And now you can start extracting email by clicking new search. This is default keyword I have add. I have to delete it, and here you can replace it with any keyword. I say I write my name and add keyword. So one keyword at a time work best every time. Now target website is all website you can extract email from. You can select as many as you want, or you can go one per a time. And setting here, this setting is different. In this setting is where you choose am I extracting phone number or email. If you select phone number, this system is going to start collecting only phone number. If you choose email, it's going to start extracting email. And if you want to start only email addresses, do not even click setting. Just go ahead and click start search. And this email extractor will start collecting you email addresses as it says because we choose to extract email addresses. And in this left side, you see where we are collecting email. This because we choose social media, Facebook for the first time. So it's collecting data from Facebook. You see Facebook links here. So after collecting data finish from Facebook link, it's going to divert to second website we choose on the target website. On the right side here, you can see the title is Solomon. Everybody here has name Solomon. So they have name Solomon attached to the email addresses. So when I'm sending them message, I know their name and I can message them, send them name because you see here, keyword here is Solomon. So and here is a title. You can see all names here related to Solomon. So this is how this email pro work. Catch you in next video.